Hey everyone, here are the 10 things you're unlikely to hear from Windows user. First, I enjoy spending my time troubleshooting driver compatibility issues. I prefer waiting for my computer to boot up every time I need to use it. I don't mind paying for third-party antivirus software to protect my computer from malware. I enjoy the limited customization options and lack of personalization features. I don't mind having to manually organize and clean up my files and folders. I love the feeling of uncertainty when my computer unexpectedly crashes or freezes. I love dealing with constant pop up notifications asking me to update my operating systems. I enjoy spending my time troubleshooting driver compatibility issues. I find it fun to navigate through a cluttered and confusing settings menu. I'm glad my computer slows down over time and requires regular maintenance to keep it running smoothly. I appreciate the frequent interruption from system restarts to install updates. So that's it guys, hope you like the videos, like and subscribe.